To create a layout in the Yodeck platform, go to the Layouts tab and click Add Layout. You can either use one of our templates or create your own layout from scratch. Let's create a new layout. Give your layout a name, select the orientation and ratio, and choose a background colour or keep it transparent. Here you can add media to your layout by selecting either media that you've already uploaded to Yodeck or upload new media files here. And the same with apps. Add apps that you've already created to your layout, or you can add a new app by clicking Discover Apps. You can add playlists to your layout here. Add text here and format the text up here. Add elements to your layout, such as shapes and graphics, and change the colour here. In the settings, you can add background music, lock elements, which is useful if multiple people will be working on the same layout, but you only want them to change certain elements, and set the availability if needed. Once you've finished designing your new layout, click Save, then add it to your screen content and it will be on display in no time.